Well, hello everybody. I decided that I'm going to do a video curl rehab. So, I've been heat free for, I don't know, over a year. I forget the exact date. I've had the main chop. The only thing that I do to my hair is I do color it because I do premature gray. So I started graying when I was like 18 years old. And it always forms right around my facial line. And I hate that because I just feel like it makes me look so much older. I keep saying I'm going to start to embrace it, but I have not. So, yes, I still dye my hair dark. I don't know if you can see, but I've been slowly, gradually attempting at putting some little highlights in it. I actually due to be dyed again, but I'm gonna wait for a little bit longer. But I have been watching a young lady, and I'm gonna attempt to put her picture right here on YouTube. She has a beautiful name, but I can't really pronounce it. It's like Juliana, and I forget her last name. But anyway, you see her up there. If you're into a curl journey on your hair, of natural hair to long, moisturized, beautiful curls, she is definitely somebody that you want to watch. So I went out today and I bought some products that she had spoke of, some that she didn't, but I'm going to go ahead and stick all in the line of Cream of Nature. Reason one is because it is very affordable in comparison to other products that I've used. So I'm going to do a good wash. I'm going to do an intensifying conditioner treatment, which I'll sit up under a dryer for a little bit, and then I'm going to detangle with conditioner, follow up with some oil treatment that's in the same line, and then put a little eco gel in there and see how it does, see how it comes out for tomorrow. I did start doing my sides the way she does it. I like it because it kind of pulls it back out of my face. So we'll see. So stick around and let's see what this finished product comes up to be. Even though first I'm going to show you all the products that I'm going to be using this evening. Okay, so these are the products that I will be using. As I said, I'm sticking in the line of Cream of Nature other than my Eco Gel. So we will be starting with the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Sulfate-Free Moisture and Shine Shampoo. Then we will be going to the Argan Oil Intensive Conditioning Treatment, and that I will leave on my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes under a dryer. Then I will get back in, rinse that conditioner out, and then I will go back in with this Cream of Nature Coconut Milk Detangling and Conditioning Conditioner, and I will finger comb through my hair. I will then rinse that out, and then I will put in the Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Ultra Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. And then I'll go in with this Argan Oil Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. And then, of course, I'm going to put in my Eco. This is the Max Hold 10 Crystal. And this will at least give me some hold so my wash and go can last. Alright, so I have put in the second step, which is that intensifying conditioner treatment. Yes, so it is in, it's good and thick. I actually use my Demon brush, Demon brush. I always can't say that word, but anyway, to be sure that I combed it through all of my hair. So now I'm going to get up under the dryer for 15 minutes under warm heat. See you afterwards. So this is it after 15 minutes under my dryer. It actually feels really good. But I'm gonna go on in now and rinse and put in my next conditioning step. All right, I'm back. This is after that coconut milk conditioner. And now, what I will say so far is I did like the smell of all three. I like the smell of the shampoo and the intensifying conditioner more than I did this last conditioner that I put in. I think it's coconut milk. And I didn't really like the slippage. Now, when I rinsed out the intensifying conditioner, it still felt kind of stiff, hard, not a lot of slippage or free flowing. So I put the next conditioner in and I finger combed that all through my hair, let it sit in as I washed the rest of my body off and rinsed it out. Now, I like hot showers, but I always do my last rinse when I'm washing my hair with cool water. So I did rinse both of those with cool water. And it still just feels like clean hair, but it doesn't have a nice soft texture that I normally like after I condition it. So we're gonna go on to our next step and we'll see how we like it then. All right. All right, so I've separated my hair into 4 sections. And I'm gonna start, of course, with the Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. Dropping stuff. Like the consistency, nice and thick. Really smells good. So I'm gonna work it into my roots. Get it into my ends. Alrighty. Then after doing that, I'm gonna take this piece. I'm gonna twist it. All right, and off to the next piece. Alrighty, now it is time for the Argan Oil Strength and Shine leave-in conditioner. So the other one that I just put in was a leave-in conditioner too, but it was more like a cream. This is going to hopefully give me the oil that I need in my hair. So you are to shake it up to activate it. I think that's pretty good. And we'll start on our back piece here. And this is a spray bottle. I always hate spray bottles because my hands get so slippery. And then I can't hold the bottle. Do y'all have that problem too? Anyway, all right, so we're gonna spray this all throughout the hair. Be sure we're lifting up the hair in order to get all of it. Smells good. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna spray a little extra there on my ends. I'm gonna rake that through. And here again. And here again, we're gonna take that hair and twist it back up. All right, now we're on the last piece. Being sure to spray up here really good where it seems to dry out the most. I feel like I've sprayed enough in once it feels like my fingers are kind of gliding through. And it's soft, but just not what the softness that I normally get using Tresemme. But we'll see what the outcome is. Alrighty. Now, off to what I love so much. Eco Styler. So just as I did the other products, I'm going to go through and finger comb some Eco Styler into each section. I'm not going to apply like gobs and gobs of it, but enough where it at least lightly coats all my strands of hair, because I do need some hold or else it will bush up and my wash and go won't last. So let's start with the Eco Styler. I'm just putting in probably, I don't know if you can see it good, but about that much. I'm just gonna rub it all over my hands. Go from the top, go from the bottom. Take a rub down to the ends. Alright, so we put that in. Now we're gonna part it, lay these edges, and tie it up and let it dry. I'll let you see after I get my edges done. Now, all I'm doing is I like to put it on the side like this because then it keeps it from being in my face or falling right down into my face at work. I sit at a computer and I need it to be pulled back. All right, so pretty much that's all I do. But I do it on this side as well. Even though most of my hair is pulled over, I still do it on this side too. So I'm gonna pull that back. Put our Eco gel there. And we're just doing the same step here. And now I'm going to wrap it up. And as you can see, it's still pulling this hair kind of over here, but it's gonna lay those. And now we're just gonna let it air dry and see how moisturized and pumped up these curls will be for tomorrow. Now, I will be letting it air dry completely before I actually lay down tonight. And after it's dried completely, then of course I will be putting it up in a pineapple on the top of my head in order to elongate it because it's already short enough. And I want it to be a little bit longer and fuller in the morning. So we'll see then. Thank you. And you are the MVP if you hanging around this long. If you still here watching. No. All right. Until tomorrow. Sweet dreams.